Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your Ps4 has the latest system update and a steady Wi-Fi or wired connection. Once done, sign into your PlayStation Network account so settings and permissions sync. Plug in a controller via USB or pair it over Bluetooth to navigate the browser. This makes typing and selection far faster. You do this first because a stable connection and input device prevent interruptions when loading web pages and streaming media. Next, open the Ps4 integrated web browser from your library or content launcher and move to the address bar. Type the Chrome website address or search for Chrome. You are doing this to reach the browser download/info page. Make sure to request desktop view if a trimmed mobile page appears, because desktop offers fuller controls and link behavior. Use the controller's touchpad or keyboard to enter text. This speeds navigation. If Chrome isn't available, use the browser's built-in features to achieve the same tasks. Finally, organize your workflow by bookmarking frequent sites and pinning tabs for quick access. This saves time in future sessions. If you'll type a lot, connect a USB or Bluetooth keyboard. Make sure to test media controls for play, pause, and volume. When pages stall or won't load, clear the browser cache and cookies, then reboot the Ps4. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, check network speed and restart your router, because many issues stem from connectivity rather than the console itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.